Hey everyone, this is Mark from Red Arrow Industries, here for another to-the-point tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to go over the AniMatte filter and show how you can use it to quickly mask out areas of your shot to create fun edits. Like this. Alright, so in my bin, I have this clip of myself doing weird stuff at different sections of this couch. One of me getting down and boogieing, and then another of me silently judging myself. When creating an effect like this, you'll want to make sure your framing stays consistent throughout, otherwise you'll probably run into some trouble lining things up. Okay, moving over to my timeline now. I've already laid down each shot I want in my edit. The couch by itself, me dancing, and me judging. I've also already made the cuts for when I want them to appear and the duration I want them to last. But notice that instead of straight cutting to each shot, I laid them on top of one another on video tracks 1 through 3. This way, each shot adds on top of one another. Alright, let's get to masking. Go to Filters, Key, and then drag and drop the AniMatte filter onto V2. Open up the effect editor, and then select the Poly tool on the right here. Let's quickly zoom out a bit on my window, and then I'm going to go right up through the middle of the frame and mask out the entire left side. You can make as many points as you need, and they're super easy to tweak later. Perfect. When I turn off V1, you can see what this effect did by getting rid of every part of the frame that wasn't inside my points. To help make this blend a little more, I'll fine-tune my feathering until you don't see as much of a cut between the shots. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This time, I'm gonna mask out the right side of the frame, and then tweak the feathering some until it's blended. Okay, we're pretty close here, but since I was sitting on a couch, you can see some bad blending in the middle of the seat where I was squishing down. So I'll go back to my V2 AniMatte, select the Reshape tool, and tweak my points to see if I can make it look any better. That's getting closer. Let me try the V3 shot now. It's also a good idea to scroll through and make sure there aren't any points where your action goes outside of the mask. Like this. Okay, good. Back to the seat. Nice, that's looking much better. Rendering this out, you can see how seamlessly I pop up, making it look like a continuous shot. There are all sorts of fun creative ways you can implement this effect into your edit. Maybe next time though, I'll practice my dance moves a bit more beforehand. Ugh. Oh well, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the AniMatte filter, feel free to comment below. And if you're looking for any more of our tutorials, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And then also check us out on our Facebook page, Red Arrow Industries, or at our website at redarrowindustries.com.